Morning, everybody. Well, we made it out to the woods safe. We got gobblers gobbling quite a ways away. We hadn't been here but about 20 minutes. My partner, Miller Time, went over on this other hill. Me and Abigail here, my middle daughter. Say hi to YouTube world, Abby. We got down here about 20 minutes ago. Sat down, got set up. Hadn't been sitting here 3 minutes and heard 3 minutes and heard a gobble. Now the gobble's a ways off, but that's okay. All the birds are starting to wake up. We got our decoys out. Maybe we could talk them in over to us. Alright, Yeti Man out. Good afternoon, everybody. Yeti Man here. We just got set up. I got the decoys out here in front of us. I got my middle son, Dayton, with me today. We had Abby yesterday. We had a turkey come in at about 80 yards, gobbling twice. It was a Jake. I assume he saw the big decoy and ran away. And we kind of skipped out this morning. It was kind of dreary. I thought I'd come out around 1 or 2 and sit and listen and wait. Opening day is tomorrow for the adults. So we're just trying to see if we can't strike Dayton up an evening bird for the last day of U time. Dayton, say hi to the YouTube world. Dayton's not a he isn't a newbie. He's been doing this with us for quite a few years. So yeah. Anyways, no turkey yesterday. Hopefully we'll get a turkey this evening. Just for anybody that doesn't know, I'm from Arkansas, and Arkansas is one of the hardest states to harvest a turkey in. By capita, per capita, for other states. So I've got quite a few beards under my belt. Any of you that have watched the live stream know that. But it's still early in the season. I got 17, 16 more days left after this to go, so we're going to hit them hard. Alright, if anything exciting happens, I'll be back. Yeti Man out. Afternoon, everybody. Well, we come off the top of the mountain, trying to go down in the bottom and head back to the car for the morning hunt. Come across this really cool semi-cave. Now, I've already been down in it, and it does go, but it's only about the size of my hips as to where it goes to, so we're just going to mark this one on the map. You can see we're on a giant, I've got bluffs all around me here. There weren't any bats in there worthy of getting video of, but we'll mark this one on the map. Alright, on to the next adventure. Good morning, everybody. Afternoon, lunch, whatever. We just come off that hill from that cave video, the little short cave video I shot. And we've been walking the ash trees, jumped some pigs. Of course, I didn't get my camera out in time to see him, but first one of the year. It ain't very big, but it counts. Yay. Hopefully we find some more. Them dango pigs. Hogs, they eat everyone we can get up before we can get them. But yeah, maybe we can get up ahead of them here. We scared them off up the other side of the hill, so maybe they haven't been down to the rest of this bottom. That's what I'm hoping for, Miller time. All right, Yeti man out. On to the next one.
Yeah, I got the adrenaline going.
Well, it ain't a turkey.
Big old sycamore and ash right behind you.
It ain't a turkey. Nice walking through, checking these ash trees. Old Miller time, I heard kaboom! He's only about 80 yards or maybe. Meat down. Sorry, I don't want to be too graphic, but we got us a pig. Or Miller got him a pig.
We both did. You took him out second, yeah.
And we both popped a shot at him. And anyways, these wild pigs are a real bad nuisance here. He's just a young one, but he's got some teeth. So yeah, dinner. Yeti man out.